We'll guide you through how to make mixed transition in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import 2 video clips from your computer into the project panel. After the clips have been imported, place both clips in the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Overlap the clips slightly so the transition area is created between them. Once the clips are arranged, select the first clip in the timeline by clicking it. Press P on the keyboard to open the position property. Enable position keyframes by clicking the stopwatch next to position. This creates the first keyframe at the current playhead location. Move the playhead forward to the point where the transition should end. Then slide the first clip out of the frame by changing its position value. A new keyframe will be created automatically, causing the first clip to move out during playback. After that, select the second clip in the timeline. Set the second clip outside the frame first by moving it to the opposite side where it will enter. Press P on the keyboard if needed and enable position keyframes for the second clip. At the end of the overlap, move the second clip into the frame by changing its position to the normal center location. This creates a sliding entrance animation. After setting both movements, select the first clip again. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and apply Gaussian Blur to the first clip. Open the Effects settings and enable Blurriness keyframes by clicking the stopwatch next to the Blurriness property. Keep the blur low at the start of the motion, then increase the blur during the slide movement, so the first clip becomes blurred while leaving the frame. This creates a smoother and more dynamic transition effect. After completing the motion and blur settings, preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning of the overlap. Watch carefully to make sure the first clip slides out while the second clip slides in smoothly. Adjust any keyframes or blur values if needed. Once everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue and click Render to export the final video.